So in this Facebook ads course video, today we all will learn that how we can connect or how to link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. You all know that when we learn about Facebook ads, we can also run ads on Instagram from the same platform. So if you want to target Instagram's audience on Instagram and Facebook's audience on Facebook, your account should be connected here. It is very simple. Just follow the steps shown in this 2-minute video and then your page will be correctly linked to your Instagram account. So friends, let's go to the screen and see. So here, as you guys can see, that on Facebook we have our Facebook page open. Now here I need to go to the page, and to do that I will click on top right on my profile. Here I see my Facebook page for my work, MF Digital Agency. I will click on this page. As soon as I click here, it will redirect me to my page. Now here, my page, which is MF Digital Agency, is now open here. See. Look on the left hand side of this screen, you will see the settings option here. I will click on it. And the settings options, when scroll down, I will go to the permission options, and then there is an option for linked accounts. I will click on that linked accounts. So here, do you want to connect WhatsApp or Instagram? You can connect both. But right now, the one that we are talking about is Instagram. So here, we will click on view. No Instagram account is connected here because this is my fresh Facebook account. For this, I have created a fresh Instagram account so that you can learn everything from the very beginning. Here, as soon as I click on the connect account. So here you can see how to connect it. So after connecting your Facebook page, when you will connect your Facebook page to Instagram, the people who manage the page and the Instagram account will be able to manage tasks for both profiles. Did you get it? So whoever manages their Instagram or Facebook page, like your page or mine, will be able to manage both the profiles. That's another benefit of it. Okay, now over here, I will click on the connect button. Allow access to Instagram messages inbox. If I want to allow the access to Instagram messages inbox, I will do it. If not, I will close this. I will confirm this and move forward. As soon as I will click on confirm here, then it will ask for particularly my phone number, the username or the email address, right? Now we need to connect our Instagram account here. We will have to enter that particular username. So that's marketing. Funda Digital Agency. We have entered this username and now I will copy the password. So here I will log in. As soon as I log in here, so if you want to save it, then save it. If you don't want to, then don't. I will save it. Click save your login info and then I am saving my login info. So see the authorization request, log into Facebook interface using your Instagram account. So login is Marketing Fundas Digital Agency. Okay. If I click here on the login button and as the accounts are connected. Now as soon as I log in. So over here, the process is taking some time, as you can see. After that, you will see it once it is connected. Easily. So friends, your Instagram account and the page, company's page, should also be related to the same company. So that you can manage both things together organically. And also if you want to run ads. So the Instagram connected, the MF Digital Agency Facebook page is now connected to Marketing Fundas Digital Agency. Okay, it is clearly done. So I will click here. We can see here that if you want to disconnect your account, it can be done from here itself. When you go to the linked account section, you can find that option. Now let's refresh this once. It was displaying no accounts linked here as you would have seen, but now here it is showing connected to. I will go to view. I will click on view, and if I need to disconnect, I can do it from here. I can also see the details and access everything else. In this way, as shown, you can also connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram business account. Understood? Hope you will be able to do it. Thank you.